Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Joshita. Art. Art is a diverse range of human activities. It conveys imagination, ideas, beliefs, skills, moods, beauty, and emotions. The purpose of works of art may be to communicate political, spiritual, philosophical, and modern ideas. Being able to communicate effectively is perhaps the most important of all life skills, from your professional life to social gatherings and everything in between. Today, before presenting the artwork of my students, I would like to present the flashback of my art fair. Individuals learn from their feelings, imagination, experiences, and their environment. The right mix of creativity along with curriculum helps the student to be innovative and encourages them to learn new things. Let me present you the artwork of my students, or I should call them self-taught artists, for training themselves in abstract painting, charcoal artwork, portraits, illustration art, acrylic painting, graphic designing, landscape sketches, calligraphy, and many more.
Hello people, since Joshita ma'am has asked us to use our quarantine days to the fullest, so I have created an artwork. So here it goes. So here is my artwork. I have used basic concept of drawing, that's lines. I have used some straight lines, some swirly lines to depict the motion of sea and the currents that a sea carry. And I have used different colors to depict the evening sky near a seashore. And here I have used black sketch pen to depict a bungee jumping activity scene, which I love doing and I love to do it again in my life. So I have depicted a bungee jumping scene, and I have used different colors here to bring in the aesthetic sense and balance to the drawing.
Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Sharma in front of you, and today I want to tell you that what my art depicts. Actually, it depicts about a woman empowerment, and also I have a strong message to those who are less empowered and less confident. So here we go. Dear brave girl, whatever you wish or dream, you must have accomplished it. You go for it. Brave girl, I hope you believe in yourself with your entire being, and that in those moments when you don't feel so, just pretend until you feel yourself. I hope you getting my things, and I hope you never settle when it comes to your dream. Just chase your dreams. I hope you always chase them with wild lust and fiery passion. I hope you never let the doubters and non-believers stop yourself, and that you let the obstacles strengthen and humble. Brave girl, I hope go for your dreams because it's yours and only yours. Happy quarantine and thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Gatika Makkar. Today we will make paper craft butterfly. Now you have to fold this sheet like this way in the form of a heart. In the same pattern, we have to make another fan. We have made two sides. We have to fix this either with the help of a thread or with the help of sellotape or with the help of glue. Now in last, open the wings of your butterfly and with the help of stick pen you can make different designs on the edges of your butterfly.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi Rongta. Sketching excites me and at the same time it gives me a sense of peace. It is like a mode of meditation, a whole new world. Today I would like to share my artwork which is very close to my heart. I enjoy doing art above everything. Playing with colors is something that excites me to the utmost. Putting colors to my art is what it completes it. It is a deep and mysterious language, the language of dreams. This art is full of colors. It is colored with the Staedtler color pencils that makes my art look beautiful. I'm crazy for my color pencils as it offers a wide range of coloring possibilities, also with brush and water. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present my artwork with you all. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
I'm behind the race that life puts me inside. I'm behind the race which makes my life dull and unalive. I want to reminisce my old time when I was happy and calm. I want to fly to reach the sky, but also I want to fall to make the truth realize. Leaving behind the race, one day I would rearriving my old memories that left behind. One day I would leave the race to restore my beats, walk far from this world, somewhere in the peace.
Life is all about grabbing opportunities. First of all, I would like to thank Joshita ma'am for providing me with this opportunity. Painting is something that feeds my soul and my head at the same time. And this passion brought me here to present this piece of artwork in this art fair. My painting is a symbolism of women's desire to leave behind what all restricted her in the past. The portrait of a single woman rapturing with her dress becomes a symptomatic of her authority, power and pragmatism. The women and the painting becomes a powerful symbol of feminist ideals.
Today, I would like to share one of my artworks with you. I was inclined towards art since I was a kid. I made many mosaics, sketches, glass paintings since childhood. But this is one of my favorite artworks. As you can see in this picture, the outfit is made from old used jeans. This outfit was created for an event organized by Pearl Academy called Playing with Denim. The outfit was rewarded with second prize. The outfit has been created with reversing jeans upwards with few more pieces of colored denims used for accessories. This event taught us various kinds of stitching skills and a new method for using old jeans. The picture reminds me of many memories, be it collecting jeans from all around or practicing stitching skills. It was surely a memorable achievement for me. Thank you.
Portion of the tie and dye methodology. This creation was created by me when I was in 9th standard. As my father was textile industry, so I was very fond of playing with dye colors. Once my mother was going to dispose of this piece of rubbed fabric, so I took it from her and then applied some dye colors, used tie and dye methodology and created this double accordion pattern. This pattern. For this design, I used blue MR, yellow M3R, red M5B, cold blend reactive dyes. Firstly, I folded this piece of fabric in a particular twisted and folding method. Then I tied it with the help of rubber band and applied dye so that all the dye should impregnate between the fibers of the fabric. I left it for 24 hours so that its dissolution becomes easier. This artwork inspired me to explore more to the deepest ocean of the textile processing industry. So I took admission in the Bachelor's of Technology in Textile Chemistry branch. There I came to know about different techniques of the same methodology. Here, some of these technologies are spiral, bullseye, seashell, scramble, and even bandage too. This is very innovative and mesmerizing task to do. Every step has its own inspiration and creation to do. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Aarti. So let's talk about my unique art. So my unique art is I always create gifts. So whenever I need to gift something to someone, I always create gifts. So because I do not like to buy gifts from outside, I think we should create gifts by ourselves so they remember that gift. So yeah, I know it's little bit hardworking, but it's really interesting. And in this lockdown we can I make gifts, I create gifts for my upcoming friend's birthday. It's 30 June and I am trying to create a very special gift for her because she is very special for me and it is my unique art.
Hello ma'am, my name is Shivangi and I am very happy today because you gave me a chance. You have to show your talents in front of all in this lockdown. So today I have to create Lord of Krishna and Chota Bheem because I love this cartoon and I make it any type of cartoons drawing. And the Lords of Krishna and Chota Bheem is an Indian animated, the star of the formerly broadcast and Indian popular animated television series Chota Bheem and Lord of Krishna. And I love you so much ma'am. For this you gave me a great opportunity for show your talents and I show this talent and thank you so much ma'am.
Basically, I made these pots and baskets with newspaper pipes. I used golden and brown colors to make it more natural and attractive. I have made these water strings with the help of glue gun and also attached plants and birds to show how beautiful our nature looks.
My name is Neha Suryavansh and today I am going to showcase one of my artworks which I drew back in 2019. This is called The Blue Elf and the inspiration drawn for this drawing was from the movie Maleficent. A role played by Angelina Jolie in this movie has a beautiful blend of rage and love all together. So I was quite impressed by the role played by her and the character itself. So I thought of drawing that on paper. I love drawing the illustrations of mythological creatures such as elves, nymphs, pixies, mermaids, etc. There's a very famous work by the author Mr. J.R.R. Tolkien. He also has showcased the beauty of the elves in his trilogy The Lord of the Rings. Elves are considered to be one of the most and vital part in the folklore and mythological legends, and they also have a strong association with magic and nature.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.